The shower pan slope thumb rule is 1/4 inch per foot to ensure water drains and does not pool. For practical installation, follow the 1/4 inch per foot fall from the shower threshold to the drain across the entire pan and measure with a level and a tape as you screed your mortar bed. Use a rigid guide or screed rails set to the correct slope when installing a preslope mortar bed so the membrane sits on a consistently sloped surface before you add the waterproof layer. Make the waterproof membrane integral to the pan system by installing a full preslope, then the membrane, and then a mortar or sand bed over the membrane so water is directed to the drain instead of pooling under tile. Where 2 drains or linear drains are used, design the slope lines so they converge smoothly and avoid abrupt slope changes that cause thin spots in the bedding. Use a cricket or small saddle when the drain is offset from the main flow to redirect water gently rather than relying on steep, short slopes. Always perform a water test by plugging the drain and filling the pan for at least 24 hours before you tile so you can locate leaks and correct slope or membrane issues while it is still accessible. Common mistakes include building a flat or undersloped pan, which leads to standing water and staining. Fix this by measuring slope frequently during bed installation and correcting low spots with additional mortar. Another issue is installing the membrane on a flat subfloor without a preslope, which causes water to sit under tile. Remedy this by always creating a proper preslope before laying membrane. A third frequent problem is inconsistent tile bedding and feathering at edges, which creates thin bedding and cracked grout. Prevent this by maintaining uniform mortar thickness, checking for hollows with a straight edge, and re-screeding any low areas before tile. BigHomeProjects.com connects homeowners with local contractors and provides project pages that explain common rules like the shower pan slope thumb rule so you can have informed conversations with tradespeople. We also host an active discussion community where homeowners and contractors share tips, post photos, and ask practical questions about installing and testing shower pans.